Pornstar Martini. It's a very popular cocktail in Europe. Let's see how to make this.
Hello everyone, I'm Rupashri and welcome to my channel Live Life with Rups.
The key ingredients are paswa, which is a passion fruit liquor, vodka, sparkling wine, or you can use champagne, lemon juice, and fresh passion fruit. I'm taking around 30 ml of paswa, adding 30 ml of plain vodka because I don't have vanilla vodka. If you don't have paswa, you can also use other passion fruit syrup. Now adding 20 ml of lemon juice, adding 4 to 5 medium size ice cubes. To get the authentic Pornstar Martini flavor, I'm adding some vanilla flavor from fresh vanilla beans because I didn't have vanilla vodka. We also need some passion fruit pulp. I'm keeping one slice for garnishing and using the rest of the pulp for the drink. It's a very juicy passion fruit. I'm struggling to take out the slice. Finally, it's done. I'm using a spoon to take out all the pulp from the fruit, but you can also use blender to blend it out and add it to the drink. Alright, now the drink is almost ready. We have added paswa, vodka, lemon juice, ice and passion fruit pulp. It's time to shake. It's a very good cocktail. Do give it a try at home and leave your comment. In India, it is difficult to get paswa liquor, but you can definitely replace it with passion fruit syrup. You can get passion fruit syrup in Amazon. If you like this recipe and want to see more of such videos, please let me know. Drink is ready, but the most important thing in Pornstar Martini is this champagne or sparkling wine. The traditional way to have Pornstar Martini is to take a sip of Pornstar Martini and then take a sip of the sparkling wine. But you know what? I like mixing the wine with the drink and then have